The third product on this list is the Rag Company Cyclone. This next one is fairly large and does its job exceptionally well. It has a nicely fitting hand glove interior that will help to alleviate any frustrations with accidentally losing the mitt in the bucket. Not only that, but the Cyclone is made from AA grade split microfibers that does an even better job at getting the dirt and grime off of whatever you're cleaning. What this means is that it utilizes a 70-30 blend split Korean microfiber per inch. This not only can hold an incredible amount of soap, but also dust and other dirt you might find while dusting or washing. You will particularly like the hand glove that gives you a better grip and helps to reduce your hands from sliding out while they are wet and soapy from cleaning. Though they might run a bit big for some people, this is still a big improvement from the flat non-hand mitts that are usually used. Furthermore, the long-stringed microfibers are well made with such quality that they increase the entire mitt's durability and longevity. You will be able to clean longer before needing a new pair of washing mitts. Its pros are, its hand glove gives you a better grip for both cleaning and from slipping out of the mitts. Its AA grade split microfibers increase the overall durability and longevity of the mitts, and it comes in two different colors for a better personal touch to your cleaning mitts. However, they are pretty big, which can cause overlapping of the outer material and therefore create unwanted splashing. The Rag Company Cyclone offers great durability and a glove design for better grip.